I gotta do all of my song and dance first.
Hello viewers and welcome back. I figured I'd get a game in before I hang out with the boys tomorrow. I brought both my Glocks and my PPK-20 to see if I can get some chaotic gameplay in before my hangout tomorrow. Now without further ado, why don't we play some airsoft?
Okay, let's move, come on! Let's go, chat!
Team Deathmatch! Nothing complicated here, just wipe them out.
Whoa! Oh, hit! Oh, no, it's okay, I'll take it. Sorry. I should have died a long time ago. Banzai! Come on! Chest, did I get you in the chest and the knee? Oh fuck, dude. Okay, we're even then. Okay. Oh shit! Watch the right, left. Oh shit! He's coming! Watch the back! Watch that side! Jordan's coming! Oh! Fuck it. Oh, hit! Good stuff, man.
He fucking misses that. I'm driving 8 to it, but it's hard.
Sorry. Oh, hit. Shit. One. What did I expect? Right behind you. Copy. Go. Oh! He's right there! Fuck! Oh, hit!